Toytime Surprise!
And we have another egg surprise, loves. I'll get this one. Take everything out of the way. Well, here are the stickers. And we'll put this dragster together this time with the stickers. Okay. Let's put it on. Click it. Ooh. These stickers are so small. And we'll put this one on this side. Cool. And that's our little dragster car. We had lots of Kinder Egg surprises. Hey, loves! Guess what? I just found some more eggs. You did not, did you? Oh, I've been buzzing around and there's way more way out back. Follow me. Oh my. Okay, loves, it looks like these guys have to go. And they're going to see if they can find us more eggs. Get in there, guys. We'll move all our little Kinder Egg toys out and let you guys take off to find us some more eggs. It sounds like there's a lot. See yas. Okay, loves. That's it for this episode. While these guys take off and go find some more eggs. All right, loves, that's it for this episode. We'll wait to see what they bring us back next time. So make sure, loves, that you subscribe and make sure that you tell all your friends. Give us a big thumbs up. And I can't wait because we have some egg hunt kits to open up. And it sounds like... Zzz. Yeah, there's more eggs to open up too. We found a whole bunch. Okay, loves, from all of us here at Toytime Surprise, see you next episode. And remember what little Annie says, if you care and if you share, you spread kindness everywhere. See ya.